In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add opening stock in ERPNext. This is an important setup task when you're starting to use ERPNext, or when you're moving from another system and need your actual inventory, quantities, and values to be correct from day one. First, from your ERPNext homepage, look for the main module section and click on Stock. This takes you to the Stock workspace, where all inventory-related tools are grouped together. If you don't see it right away, you may need to expand the menu or scroll a bit, depending on your screen size. Once you're on the stock page, find and click on Stock Reconciliation. Stock Reconciliation is the feature ERPNext uses to adjust quantities and values of items. It's perfect for entering opening stock because it lets you say, as of this date, this is what I actually have on hand. On the Stock Reconciliation list view, look for the option to add a new record. Click on Add Stock Reconciliation. This will open a fresh stock reconciliation form where you'll enter your opening stock information. Before you move on, make sure you're doing this at a time when no one else is actively changing stock, so your opening balances stay accurate. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start with the basic information at the top. Choose the company, set the posting date and time to the point when your opening stock should be valid, and if needed, add a brief note so others know this entry is for opening stock. Next, scroll down to the items table. Here you'll add each item that should have an opening balance. For each row, select the item code, choose the warehouse, and then enter the actual quantity you physically have. If you already know the value or valuation rate for each item, fill that in as well, so your stock valuation is correct. Take your time and double check item codes, warehouses, and quantities, because these figures form the foundation of your inventory records. When everything looks accurate, click on Save. Saving will store the draft of your stock reconciliation. After saving, you can review all details one more time, and then submit the document if required by your workflow. Once submitted, ERPNext will update your stock levels to match the opening balances you entered. And that's it. You've successfully added opening stock in ERPNext using stock reconciliation, setting up your system with accurate starting inventory.